Whittle your middle. Basically, 7 must-haves that you need to make sure you're incorporating in your diet daily. Starting off with spinach. Spinach is one of the most calorie-dense foods, so therefore, a cup of spinach, 41 calories, great nutrients. It also helps with digestion. Next up, we got our berries. Berries, as we all know, they taste great, great antioxidants. Grapefruit. I'm sure you know all about grapefruit. One, it's full of water, so you eat it, again, low calorie, fat-free, and it also helps regulate the body's metabolism. One of my favorites, and a lot of people don't know about, is the apple cider vinegar. Now with the apple cider vinegar, I do 2 teaspoons in water. Next up, peppers, chili peppers. Now when you eat a pepper, you say, I'm getting hot, my mouth's getting real hot. That's actually not a bad thing. Peppers do raise the body's thermogenic temperature, but when the body's temperature is higher, now the body's burning more calories. I call it life juice because it's the juice of life. It's your water. Now you want to drink at least half your body weight in ounces of water every day. Number 1 superfood, your egg. 1 egg, 6 grams of protein, egg white about 3 grams of protein. A lot of people are scared of the yolks. Don't be scared to have at least 1 whole egg daily because there's actually good fat in the yolk.